This is Serbia's standard circulation banknote issued in the year 2014 by National Bank of Serbia. This note is a rectangular paper banknote with dimension 139 mm into 66 mm and value 50 dinars. The obverse side of the banknote depicts the portrait of the composer Stevan Stojanović Mokranjac at the left. A stylized depiction of a part of violin, keyboards and scores from the Mokranjac legacy at center right. Watermark consisting of image of Stevan Stojanović Mokranjac at the right, which is visible when the banknote is held against the light. Security thread imprinted with the word dinar, which can be seen when the note is held against the light. The reverse side of the banknote consists of image of Stevan Stojanović Mokranjac, a motif of Miroslav Gospel illumination, great coat of arms of the Republic of Serbia in the top left corner of the banknote.